Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. It is a beautiful, warm summer's night. The sky is absolutely full of stars and their constellations. The stars are shining so brightly. As you look at the sky, you catch the rare sight of a bright and beautiful shooting star. As it flashes by, you wonder where shooting stars come from, and you wonder about everything they must see along the way. Suddenly, your body begins to glow. Brighter and brighter you beam with a warm yellow light. As you glow brighter, your feet begin to lift off the ground. You're flying. You stretch your arms in front of you like a superhero, and you zoom away toward the sky. You are becoming a shooting star. You are shining so bright and flying so fast than you have ever moved before. In your path, there are some clouds. Imagine for a moment what it would look like to fly between them or through them. How would it feel on your body to fly through a cloud? The clouds clear, and you look beneath you to see the nighttime lights of towns and cities. What would it look like to fly above the world at night? You change your direction and begin to fly straight upward at amazing speed. As you clear the Earth's atmosphere into outer space, you decide to fly like a shooting star around the moon. Imagine yourself glowing brightly, flying toward the moon. What would the moon look like as you speed around it? Take a moment now to explore outer space as a shooting star. What things might you see? What planets might you see? Use your imagination and fly. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.